1. Watashi wa satchou ni omiyage o sashiagemasu. Watashi wa satchou ni omiyage o sashiagemasu. Meaning, I will give a souvenir to the president. I will give a souvenir to the president. 2. Watashi wa inu ni esa o arimashita. Watashi wa inu ni esa o arimashita. Meaning, I fed the dog. I fed the dog. I gave some food to the dog. I gave some food to the dog. 3. Watashi wa buchou ni omiyage o itadakimashita. Watashi wa buchou ni omiyage o itadakimashita. Meaning, I got a souvenir from the director. I got a souvenir from the director. 4. Watashi wa sensei ni kirei na hana o itadakimashita. Watashi wa sensei ni kirei na hana o itadakimashita. Meaning, I got a nice flower from my teacher. I got a nice flower from my teacher. 5. Kare wa sobo ni kirei na yubi wa o itadakimashita. Kare wa sobo ni kirei na yubi wa o itadakimashita. Meaning, he got a beautiful ring from his grandfather. He got a beautiful ring from his grandfather. 6. Tenchou ga okashi o kudasaimashita. Tenchou ga okashi o kudasaimashita. Meaning, the store manager gave me some sweets. The store manager gave me some sweets. 7. Satchou ga musuko ni chokoreto o kudasaimashita. Satchou ga musuko ni chokoreto o kudasaimashita. Meaning, the president gave some chocolates to my son. The president gave chocolate to my son. 8. Watashi wa inu o sanpo ni tsurete itte arimashita. Watashi wa inu o sanpo ni tsurete itte arimashita. Meaning, I took my dog for a walk. I took my dog for a walk. 9. Watashi wa musume ni hon o yonde arimashita. Watashi wa musume ni hon o yonde arimashita. Meaning, I read a book to my daughter. I read a book to my daughter. 10. Watashi wa musuko no shukudai o mite arimashita. Watashi wa musuko no shukudai o mite arimashita. Meaning, I saw my son's homework. I saw my son's homework. 11. Watashi wa buchou ni kamera o kashite itadakimashita. Watashi wa buchou ni kamera o kashite itadakimashita. Meaning, I had the director lend me a camera. I had the director lend me a camera. 12. Sensei ni bunpou o setsumei shite itadakimashita. Sensei ni bunpou o setsumei shite itadakimashita. Meaning, the teacher explained the grammar. The teacher explained the grammar. 13. Kachou no okusan ni ikebana o misete itadakimashita. Kachou no okusan ni ikebana o misete itadakimashita. Meaning, the chief's wife showed me how to arrange flowers. The chief's wife showed me how to arrange flowers. 14. Ashita satchou ga kukou made okutte kudasaimasu. Ashita satchou ga kukou made okutte kudasaimasu, meaning the president will send you to the airport tomorrow. The president will send you to the airport tomorrow. 15. Sensei wa sakubun o naoshite kudasaimashita. Sensei wa sakubun o naoshite kudasaimashita, meaning the teacher corrected the composition or essay. The teacher corrected the composition or essay. 16. Yoku kikoemasen deshita ga mou ichido itte kudasaimasen ka? Yoku kikoemasen deshita ga mou ichido itte kudasaimasen ka? Meaning, I didn't hear you well. Could you please say it again? I didn't hear you well. Could you please say it again? 17. Kopiki ga ugokimasen ga chotto mite kudasaimasen ka? Kopiki ga ugokimasen ga chotto mite kudasaimasen ka? Meaning, the copier doesn't work, but why don't you take a look? The copier doesn't work, but why don't you take a look? 18. Buchou ni kirei na eigaki o katte itadakimashita. Buchou ni kirei na eigaki o katte itadakimashita, meaning the director bought a beautiful movie. The director bought a beautiful movie. 19. Sensei ni nihongo no machigai o ichumo naoshite itadakimasu. Sensei ni nihongo no machigai o ichumo naoshite itadakimasu, meaning the teacher always corrects my Japanese mistakes for me. The teacher always corrects my Japanese mistakes for me. 20. Sensei ni kashite itadakimashita. Sensei ni kashite itadakimashita, meaning the teacher lent it for me. The teacher lent it for me. 21. Sumimasen, chotto oshiete kudasaimasen ka? Sumimasen, chotto oshiete kudasaimasen ka? Meaning, excuse me, could you please teach me a little bit? Excuse me, could you please teach me a little bit? 22. Niwa no hana ni mizu o arimasu. Niwa no hana ni mizu o arimasu, meaning I give water to flowers in the garden. I give water to flowers in the garden. 23. Ani no kodomo ni otoshidama o arimashita. Ani no kodomo ni otoshidama o arimashita, meaning I gave my older brother's children New Year's money. I gave my older brother's children New Year's money. 24. Kino okaku-sama ni shigoto o homete itadakimashita. Kino okaku-sama ni shigoto o homete itadakimashita, meaning yesterday I was praised by guests for my work. Yesterday I was praised by guests for my work. 25. Senpai ga konsato no chiketto o kudasaimashita. Senpai ga konsato no chiketto o kudasaimashita, meaning Senpai gave me the concert ticket. Senpai gave me the concert ticket.